Hello to everyone. Uh, with the circumstances we are in, with the situations that we are in, with the kind of situations that we have to face in the times to come, one thing has become very much important, and that is we have to live, we have to attend, we have to face whatsoever situation we are in. Today's session is a bit different than my normal class lectures. This is not a subject of accounts or for that matter even related to finance or taxation or something like that. In today's session, my focus will 100% be on something related to our real life. That is having, commanding, maintaining patience. I'll give you certain instances before I start with my session. Before I start telling you why I have conducted this particular session, I have to tell those situations, what led to this particular thing to me. Why I chose this topic of patience, the very basic reason behind that. Some days earlier, one of the students called me up. Probably I must be busy in something or I must not have responded properly. And the student called me again after say 5 minutes. I didn't respond. I got one more call after a minute. I didn't respond even after that. Yes, I must have been occupied somewhere. And then when I received that call, the student asked me, sir, what should I do for making the online order of the books? I simply replied that you have to go on to that CDS portal and there you have to order the goods. You have to use your registration number, you have to use your password as your date of birth, etc., whatsoever it was. On the other day, when I was taking a live lecture, someone had posted a question in that question and answer section. Someone had posted a question. I read that question, I didn't reply. The question came again, copied and pasted. I didn't reply even after that. The question came again. I had to talk about that in the class. That if I'm conducting something, if I'm talking about something, I'll surely be responding to your questions also, because generally it doesn't happen that I will be leaving any kind of questions in the class. Now, what this all is happening? On the other day, my son's mobile, he had, I have given him a mobile because he's having the online lectures, etc. His mobile suddenly stopped working. I was having the live lecture going on, and he comes to the room and he makes some kind of things. He's trying to search for something, and I was getting distracted with that. When I asked him that what happened after my lecture, after finishing my lecture, he told me the whole story, what happened, and he informed me that mobile has got shut, etc. But he was not ready to stop by that the lecture should get over, and after that I'll be searching for whatsoever I want. What these all things are. Forget about this. There are the people who react because they have put in a website on a browser and that website is not getting opened. There are the people who react when they are solving a problem and they are not able to get the solution of that. The people here, now today's session is absolutely from the student's perspective. I'm not going to bring forth the whole of the life in front of you. How you want to deal with your boss, how you want to deal with your job. That's why I'm not going to talk about any of the current affairs or current incidences. Absolute focus is on students. I'm not a movie maker that I'll be showing you a mirch masala and based on that I'll be giving you something. I'm not a kind of guru to give you the preachy kind of lessons. But what I want is the current date students should have the capacities to handle each and every situation. I am not able to get a particular receipt of mine, I am into the deep trouble. I am not able to log in on a particular website. I am thinking why this is not happening. These days everything is linked to your mobile. आप किसी भी वेबसाइट पे चले जाओ, आप उस वेबसाइट पे आपको मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल आईडी डालना होता है और उसके बाद में आपके पास ओटीपी आता है. जब तक ओटीपी नहीं आता है तब तक आपका काम आगे नहीं बढ़ता है. You become anxious. You become in a kind of situation कि यार ये मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. ये आपके साथ नहीं होता है, ये सबके साथ होता है. चाहे वो आप हो चाहे बीजेपी हो, सबके साथ होने ही वाला है. Right? The point need to be understood here that in all the circumstances, in all the situations, you are the only person who are going to handle it. If you are not able to get something, if you are not able to answer something, forget about that. Take a very simple example. If a teacher has asked for something in a class, maybe a live class, maybe a face-to-face class, whatsoever, and you are not able to find the answer, by that time the faculty has already given the answer or the other students have given the answer, you start blaming yourself. Yeah, ye mere saath kya ho raha hai? The people start reacting in a way, am I not cut for this particular thing? Am I not a correct candidate for this? Am I not expected to do this? Am I going into a wrong direction? Mind it, my dear friends. You are not supposed to introspect every and each negative thing that comes to your way. You cannot go ahead unless and until you are having the capacities to handle the situation. Now mind it, बंदा जब खुश होता है तो हमेशा खुश रहना चाहता है, जब दुखी होता है तो दुखी बिल्कुल नहीं रहना चाहता है. Why? Because we have got easy-go-lucky kind of life. And that's why we are having that kind of thought process. I would say yes, for sure. One of the reason behind that is the comforts those have been given to you. One of the problem is that everything that you have asked for, or majority of the things that you have asked for, are being made available to you. You are having the availability of whatsoever you want. And that's why probably you have come into a situation that if I'm demanding for something, if I'm asking for something, I should get it right away. You don't have those extra seconds. You don't have those extra minutes to handle with this situation. Sir, how can you talk about these kind of things? Why are you so kind of passionate, or you are having so kind of patience that whatsoever comes to your way? I know very well that there are certain parents also who have been attending this particular thing, who have been sitting with their children, probably so. And I appreciate that. That's good. It should be the case. Because even the parents are worried these days that how should I control you? Control in a sense, they don't want to control you. Mind it, my dear friends. The current gen students cannot be controlled. The current gen children cannot be controlled by their parents, their respective parents. अगर अंकल आके बता के जा रहे हैं तो हम लोग फॉलो करेंगे, अगर पापा ने कहा तो हम फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. अगर मम्मा कोई चीज कहती है तो ये गलत है, और वही अगर किसी आंटी ने आके बताया तो हो सकता है ये, दिस इज द फैक्ट. And that's what the situation of parents is also. How do I deal with this situation? Now, why this is happening, or why your parents are having so much of patience and you people don't? I'll tell you certain reasons behind that. I don't want to only focus on the problem. I want to go into the situation itself. Why this is happening? Why we have to talk about these kind of things? Because when as a student I was getting evolved, when it was my development going on, when I was growing in my age, at that time, number one, I was not getting all the things that I demanded every time. Number two, I was assessing and analyzing my situation vis-a-vis my parents' situation as well. Number three, when I was talking about, or when I was looking at those all circumstances, that was giving me the kind of learning experiences, the kind of guidance. I'll give you certain examples that we used to see. There was the time we would go to a bank. Entering the bank, we were required to, suppose I have to deposit the cash into the bank, I would go to the person who was maintaining a register of scrolls, that is sequence number, कि कितने transactions हुए, उसके लिए एक sequence maintain किया जाता था. तो उसके पास वो स्लिप दिखानी पड़ती थी, वो सीक्वेंस नंबर लिख के देता था. टोकन नंबर अलग बात होती है, वो विड्रॉल के लिए होता था. वो सीक्वेंस नंबर लिख के देने के बाद में वो कैशियर के पास जाके लाइन में लगना पड़ता था. वहां भी अलग अलग तरह की लाइन होती थी, अलग अलग कैटेगरी की लाइन होती थी कि 10,000 तक का डिपॉजिट, 25,000 तक का डिपॉजिट, 1 लाख रुपए तक का डिपॉजिट, उसके ऊपर का डिपॉजिट डायरेक्ट मैनेजर के पास. Above 1 lakh was too much of value in those days. We would go and stand in those queues. One single cashier handling everything manually. He would enter everything in the cash register. He would send it to his senior. His senior will pass that particular entry, will come back, and then the cash deposit of even 5,000 rupees would take approximately 2 hours. And we used to handle it. मतलब बैंक का काम करना है 2 घंटे लगेंगे, पहले से माइंडसेट होता था, पहले से फिक्स होता था ब्रेन में कि यार ये 2 घंटे का काम है. आजकल वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में इतना दिखाया जाता है कि ये 2 मिनट का काम है, या ये आपका 2 सेकंड में काम हो जाना है. आजकल तो मैगी 2 मिनट में नहीं बनती है तो लोग कंप्लेन कर देते हैं, वो उनके ट्विटर हैंडल पे डाल देते हैं, क्या तुम बस 2 मिनट करते हो, तुम्हारी मैगी तो जिंदगी में कभी 2 मिनट में नहीं बनती है. दिस इज हाउ द पीपल गो अबाउट. So, as I promised earlier itself, I don't want to be preachy. I just want to be into the situation. तो फर्क कहां पड़ रहा है? फर्क यहां पड़ रहा है कि आप जिस लाइफस्टाइल में जी रहे हो, उस लाइफस्टाइल में स्पीड इज द की. You are going ahead in everything. You are living with the dynamism. You are living with everything available at the go. भूख लगी है, स्विगी करो, जोमेटो करो, you get the things ordered, you get it supplied in 30 minutes, 45 minutes. घर में अगर खाना बनाना है तो वो पहले वेजिटेबल्स प्रोक्योर करो, फिर वेजिटेबल्स को धो, फिर वेजिटेबल्स को कट करो, फिर उसको बॉईल करो, उसके बाद में उसकी सब्जी बनाओ. इतना बड़ा प्रोसेस करने के बजाय, और उसके बाद खाने के बाद बर्तन भी धो. वी आर इनटू द लॉकडाउन. इतना बड़ा प्रोसेस करने के बजाय अगर मैं सिंपली ऑर्डर कर दूं, और वो बंदे ने अगर कहा तुमको कि 30 मिनट में तुम्हारा ऑर्डर डिलीवर होने वाला है, तुम 25वें मिनट से उसको कॉल करना चालू करते हो. इसीलिए उन्होंने ट्रैकर्स लगा दिए कि तुम्हारा खाना कहाँ है वो तुम खुद ट्रैक करो. 25वें मिनट से तुम, 25वां छोड़ दो, 5वें मिनट से ट्रैक करना चालू कर देते हो कि खाना कहाँ पहुंचा. अरे कहाँ पहुंचा? अभी तुमने ऑर्डर दिया है, वो सब्जी कढ़ाई में डालेगा, बनाएगा, उसके बाद में पैक करेगा, पार्सल करेगा, बंदा लेके तुम्हारे घर तक पहुंचेगा. विल टेक टाइम, बट वी डोंट हैव दैट टाइम. So what basically this patience is? The patience is basically the thing of dealing with the different kind of situations and circumstances. मैं वापस कह दे रहा हूं, मैं सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम पे फोकस नहीं करने वाला हूं, प्रॉब्लम की जड़ और उसके बाद में व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस. बिकॉज यस, आई बीन ऑब्जर्विंग इट. द पीपल आर ज्वाइनिंग इन, पीपल आर लीविंग. जो जाने दो यार, ये मास्टर टाइम पास कर रहा है, आज प्रीच कर रहा है, तो हम तो इतना ज्ञान लेने के मूड में नहीं है. We have got so much of knowledge. आज बहुत टायर्ड फील कर रहे हैं, आज इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज थी, कल वापस से लेक्चर्स में बैठना है, फिर ऑनलाइन बैठना है, आज नहीं यार. That's how the things are. That's what the people think about. That is this particular thing of use to me? Is this particular thing available or required for me? These are the important things that I wanted to talk. The second point, so this was that why in the earlier generation there was more patience, because we had everything slowed down. We were doing the things at its own pace. We were not into the hurry of doing the things. And even today, if we are trying to get something, we don't have the problem that internet is not working. On the other day, I was conducting the class and that Zoom account was getting logged off suddenly. I did the login again for the next time. I didn't react to it. I didn't go to the students, अरे यार आज मेरा इंटरनेट बहुत काम खराब हो गया, आज इसको मैं कैसे हैंडल करूं यार, ये मेरे साथ क्यों होता है, ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है यार, ये ऐसा. I didn't react to it. I didn't want to. Why? Because even if I would have reacted at that time, even if I would have tried to kind of yaar murmured and kind of think yaar ye kyun ho raha hai, kaise ho raha hai, usko main kaise handle karunga and all that, even after that it would have worked in that way only. Why? Because it was a technical difficulty, it was a technical fault. The technical defaults or technical problems cannot be handled like that. कल मैंने गाड़ी सर्विसिंग पे भेजी and that person has not done certain activities. I have not called him up, यार ये तेरे को मैंने ये काम बोला था, वो काम बोला था, तूने ये सब कुछ नहीं किया and all that. Why? Because I know that if he has not done, he is not going to come to me suddenly and he's going to do that particular activity for me. Yeah, I'll surely be calling him, I'll be asking him that these are the things which are to be done, but I'm not going to kind of burst on him. There is no need of. क्योंकि जब बस्ट ऑफ होते हो आप, तो आपका दिमाग काम करना बंद कर देता है. जब आप कोई चीज में अननेसेसरी रिएक्शंस देते हो, तो उस समय पे आप सही रिएक्शंस नहीं देते हो, ये बात फैक्ट है. When you're talking to someone and you are suddenly not getting the correct response, you try to get into yaar ab main kya karu. One of the major reason behind that is the current date technology, the current date race, and the current date speed. That's the basic reason. I know it. But now, even if you are living in that world, does that mean you will never be talking about patience? You will never be remaining patient when you are talking about or when you are discussing or when something is going wrong for you? Are you going to burst out every time? Are you going to react in a way that this is not my cup of tea? Are you going to react that, no, I cannot do this? That's all is the sign of negativity. And that sign of negativity has to be completely removed, and it starts with developing, grooming yourself into the patience. When you start handling the situation in the calm and composed way. Just take as an example that your exams have arrived and at that time you are not having certain equipment, you are not having certain situation, घर की light चली गई, and at that time how now just observe this. रायगढ़ में recently जब ये situation हुई, that cyclone and all that, and there is no electricity, जब हमारे देश में लॉकडाउन हुआ, जब हमारी घरों में लॉकडाउन हुए, उस समय पे हम लोगों ने तो ये समझ लिया कि अब हमको बाहर नहीं निकलने को मिलेगा, तो जो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल है, जिस सिचुएशन में हम लोग रह रहे हैं, उसी सिचुएशन में हमको सर्वाइव करना है, और हम लोग सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं. 3 months we have not complained about it. We may have complained once in a while, we may have a kind of fight at home, but that fight, that complaint got stopped on the very next day. Forget about the next day, that got completed in the next hour, because you accepted it. Because you accepted that you cannot avoid it. Because you said that this is it. I cannot handle it. So let the situation be like this. I will grow with it. And that's where you used your patience. You calmed down. You got yourself into the composed situation. And that is what I want from you people now, that when you are discussing about something, when you are talking about something, you have to have that thing in the mind, that even if something is not happening according to what I want, still after that also I will continue with that situation. Now how do I develop patience? How do I grow with patience? The very first way, in fact, I've been talking about this particular thing, this particular solution in many of the situations, because it's one of the fantastic solution available in all the kind of lifestyle problems that we have. And that is to develop your concentration, to develop your patience through the meditation. One of the person is saying that it is very hard to accept the changes and live with that. Mind it, my dear friends, जिंदगी में कभी तुम मास्क पहन के बाहर निकले थे? Had you ever used the mask when you were going on the roads? Have you ever checked that the areas where you are visiting, the areas where you are going, will that be safe for you? You never had that kind of thought, and suddenly you are first talking about that the area where I'm going to visit, the place where I'm going to visit, that place, is it safe for me? घर पहुंचते सहित सबसे पहले हम लोग हाथ धोते हैं, नहाते हैं. Why? Because we are changing our lifestyle. That means we are living with the change or not. किसी बंदे का ब्रेकअप हो जाए, बंदा उसमें से भी सर्वाइव करके बाहर निकल जाता है. तुम तो क्या बातें कर रहे हो? That's the basic problem. That's the another problem that I'm going to talk about. First, I've talked about only the kind of change in pace and the change in speed and the change in situations, because of which the patience is getting diluted. Second thing that we are talking about now, the second aspect that we have to focus upon now, and that is, sorry, the solution of that, the earlier one, in fact, I was talking about, and that is when you are starting to do meditation. Now, what is this meditation? Meditation मतलब ये नहीं कि सांस रोक के बैठ जाओ. मेडिटेशन का मतलब ये नहीं कि एक सराउंडिंग में म्यूजिक अंधेरा बना के रखो और एकदम शांति से बैठो. There are the different ways of doing it. And one of the simplest way of doing meditation, absolute simplest way, is you just sit at a place and you decide that this is the place you're going to sit every day. Whichever place you want to. Maybe at the terrace of your house, maybe at the in the room that you have. You just sit at a place. You keep your eyes closed. You start focusing on your breathe. How you are inhaling and how you are exhaling. You just focus on that. You don't talk about, you don't think about. In fact, whatever thoughts keep coming, let them come in. Meditation means doing nothing. You just sit, keep your eyes closed, and just inhale and exhale, and let your brain be focused on what you are inhaling and what you are exhaling. The thoughts will keep coming. Those thoughts will keep coming till the time you have got the kind of used to this meditation technique. And once you are done with that, after that, your thoughts will stop coming. Initially, it will be creating the problem. The only thing that has hits me hard is my mind changes a lot. Like abhi lecture में फिर 5 मिनट बाद दूसरी किसी चीज. No, this is a normal human tendency. What you're talking about is a very much normal human tendency. Even when I am talking to you, I just got a call from someone, and then my brain went into that call. I got myself back into the lecture. When I was talking to you, at that time, my thoughts get distracted. That's a normal human tendency. But the point is what? That when you are talking about these all things, sorry, when you're starting to do the meditation, you will surely be able to get the confidence in yourself. And when you start having the confidence in yourself, you automatically start to focus on the things that are at your hand. You are able to guide yourself in all the difficult situations as well. Mind it, my dear friends, your life has just started. You're going to have, in fact, I would request every one of you to just keep your questions with yourself. Let me complete a particular part, and then I will start back with your questions and answers on the live basis. We'll have the question and answers on the live basis. All right. I don't want to read your questions. Let those questions be spoken about by yourself itself. Now, how the meditation will help you? When you start meditating, you start having your brain power on the concentrated level. And when your brain is able to concentrate on the situation that is at your hand, you will be able to analyze it fast, and you will stop having the worry about that situation. Your anxieties will start to stop. And that's how your patience will get developed when you start doing the first step, that is meditation. There is a question that I overthink a lot, and I don't know how to deal with it. There is a question that, sir, we are facing the basic problem of technology. The other person is asking that we are facing the situation of depression. These are the basic problems these days. Now, let's make a chain of it. Let's do the analysis of it. There is a person who is having a situation at the hand. He is thinking whether I should do this or not. If I do this, then what will happen? If I don't do this, what will happen? When I carry over the activity, अरे यार ये मैंने गलत तो नहीं हो गया, अरे यार ये ऐसा करना चाहिए था क्या, अरे यार ये ऐसा हो रहा है क्या? You keep on thinking like this. That's the first situation. Then for everything you start having the solutions online. आपको एक सिंपल सी अगर सिचुएशन है कि आपको एक पर्टिकुलर चीज चाहिए, उसके लिए सबसे पहले आप इंटरनेट पे जाते हो. अरे आप आपके लोकल एरिया में चेक करो. You have the people supplying that. You need not go online for everything. और होता क्या है? The moment you start searching for something online, you have so many apps being installed in that, and then you start getting distracted to those apps, and suddenly you are not back into the original activity. और 2 घंटे बाद याद आता है कि मुझे कुछ करना था, और वो आप भूल चुके हो, और सडनली आपको जब वो चीज याद आती है तो आपको टेंशन आना चालू हो जाता है. So what is happening? The very first thing that you are expected to avoid, the very first thing that you are not supposed to do is making multiple thoughts about the same situation. Understand a point. Analyzing a situation and overthinking in a situation, these are two independent things. If I am having a situation at hand, comparison of pros and cons of it, and then making a decision and abiding by this decision is analysis and decision. Comparing the pros and cons, making a decision, and then thinking about that decision, this is overthinking. What you people need to do is you need to decide and abide. You decide and think of that decision again. If you are doing something like this, then you are in a problem. The second thing, as far as the technology is concerned, I have given this solution to many of them कि आप मोबाइल के एडिक्शन से कैसे छूट सकते हो, आप मोबाइल को कैसे अवॉइड. मैं भी मोबाइल बहुत यूज करता हूँ. माय डेली यूसेज टाइम ऑफ मोबाइल इज 3 आवर्स. मैं चेक करता हूँ रोज कि आज मैंने पूरे दिन में मोबाइल कितना समय यूज किया. इट्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऑन एन एवरेज 3 आवर्स. वो देते हैं आजकल तो डेटा आता है पूरा हर मोबाइल में. 3 आवर्स. गेम भी अगर खेलने बैठता हूँ कभी गलती से है मेरे पास कुछ एक दो गेम्स इंस्टॉल, कैंडी क्रश, उतना एक ही क्रश है मेरा मेरी जिंदगी में. Even if I play that game, I would be playing for maximum 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. कभी बहुत ज्यादा वेला बैठा हूं तो आधा घंटा. That's the maximum time. But the point is what? The highlighting point here is what? That when I'm using the mobile, I'm using it only when it is required for my work, for my activity. पूरा टाइम व्हाट्सएप चेक करता रहूंगा, पूरा टाइम मैं इंस्टा चेक कर. मैं व्हाट्सएप पे आता हूँ, व्हाट्सएप पे बहुत बार आता हूँ, देखता हूँ और बाहर चला जाता हूँ. I don't wait there. I don't stop there. One of the solution to this is, I'm not asking you to leave your smartphones. The very simple solution is that whenever it's a peak villa time for you, या तुम complete वेल्ले होने वाले हो, at that time put your mobile on the silent mode and give it to your parents. I know you have put the kind of fantastic passwords on your mobile. You have got the hidden folders in your mobile, and your parents will never be able to access it. Your parents will never be able to see it. उनको वो आता ही नहीं है. You do it. You try it for a week, and I'm very much sure, my dear friends, you'll start having the kind of leaving that particular thing का habit. कि मैं मोबाइल के बगैर जी सकता हूं. आप ये कह रहे हो लास्ट 8 days 10 days रायगढ़ में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, वहां के बंदे कहां से मोबाइल चार्ज कर रहे हैं? फिर भी जी रहे हैं ना. Still they are able to survive. So that's possible. There is, you cannot say that how do I leave that electronic gadgets or mobile or something like that. At your age, I have to talk about these kind of things. I need to compulsorily talk about these kind of things. Sir, for lectures, we use up to 6 hours. Any solution for avoiding strain on eyes? Please contact the ophthalmologist. Please contact the eye specialist. They will be giving you the better answer than me. All right. Well, I'll come further. On the other day, I had met with one of the ophthalmologists. He said that continuous computer पे बैठने से आंखें खराब नहीं होती हैं. अगर आप आंखों की एक्सरसाइज ठीक से करते रहोगे तो you will surely be able to get the answers. Some things to do. नहीं वेला बैठना भी बहुत आसान होता है. वेले बैठते समय आपको कुछ ना कुछ करते ही रहना चाहिए, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. That's where the thing is. We don't have the patience of sitting alone, sitting idle. Now, how much time should we do the meditation? On an average, you can meditate for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. That's a good enough of time. A question arises that should I do the meditation early in the morning, late in the night, or in the afternoon? I cannot ask you to do the meditation only in the morning or only in the night. Whatever is the most comfortable time for you, you can meditate at that time, and that will surely work very well for you. Sitting alone, the simple solution when you are sitting alone, without any electronic gadgets, without having television sets in front of you. I do sit along with my wife for many a times, and we don't have anything at that time. We are just having some kind of discussions. You don't have that option, I know it, but you have your parents. You can sit with them, you can talk to them, and you'll start finding the different kind of feeling altogether. mind it, observe it, you'll be able to get the things done. Well, I'll come to the next part. Nowadays, that kind of thing is not happening for last 3 months. क्योंकि लोग मिल नहीं रहे हैं तो पैचअप नहीं हो रहे हैं, पैचअप नहीं हो रहे तो ब्रेकअप नहीं हो रहे हैं. बट इस पीरियड में बहुतों के ब्रेकअप हो चुके हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव बीन ऑब्जर्विंग. आई एम very kind of blunt on this particular situation. Why? Because this is the fact of life. This is the situation that you are having the attachment to someone, and now you are not able to talk to the people. You are not able to discuss what you want. Now, how do we handle this particular situation? A very simple way of doing that is start developing the habit of reading something new, something different. I think should study now, but due to this mobile phone, the feeling of I should study get broke. I've given the solution to that already. Managing the day, because whenever we are free, we indulge in taking the phones. We like to be patient in our life, but in certain things we can't handle it. Yes, because you are not having the habit of so many things. There are so many things which come first in your life. And if the things come first in your life, you will not be able to handle it at that time. You are expected to take the support, take the solution from your relatives, your parents, your elders, your youngers. You ask the questions and you get the solutions. You try to find out the solution to everything on your own, and then when you're not able to handle it, you get broke. There are the solutions available to with the others also. This is what we cannot accept. We have the fear that if I will ask this kind of question, what the other person will think about me. Whatever let that person think about you, the most important thing is you need to ask. Because if you don't ask, the person will be having a different thinking altogether about you. And that thing should not happen. And for that purpose, you talk about the situation that you are in, not with your colleagues as such, not the person of your own age, not your friends only. You need to talk to your parents. You need to talk to your relatives. You need to talk to your elders. You need to talk in some cases with your youngers as well, because even the youngers have the innovative brains. They'll surely be able to give you the fantastic solutions. And by that way, you start getting the fantastic results. So now, how to handle with that situation of breakup, etc. Well, I'll not go into that thing कि यार तुम्हारा breakup हो गया, ये तो गलत हो गया and all that. Yes, the thing that I will be talking about won't be acceptable as such, but that's the only solution available. Because friends, remember one thing. Ultimately, till the time you reach to the point of your achievement in your life, in the form of career, you get something in your life at hand first. You want to share the life, but life does not get shared unless and until you have the resources to share. So you first build yourself to get those resources. And once you are capable of getting into those resources or getting the resources, then you start having the sharing habit. So for now, whatever attachments that you have from the day one, you should have this thought that till the time we are there, we are there. After that, if at all something happens, that's fine. We will be required to go ahead. I've seen so many people going ahead, getting over the situations, and they are able to get over the situations very comfortably. So for that purpose, a very simple solution I would say is, whenever you are into the situation of a kind of breakup, you go and talk to your parents first. I'm very much seriously saying this. You go and talk to your parents first. They will be giving you one of the fantastic solution. पहले गालियां देंगे, पहले नाराज होंगे, तुमको भी ये कहेंगे कि ये तुम्हारी ही गलती थी, और है भी. But at the same time, these are the only people who are going to support you the best in that situation. When you talk to your elders, they will complain to your parents, and there is nothing wrong in that. When you talk to your younger, they will go and talk to your parents. There is nothing wrong in that. That will surely be coming comfortably to you. आपको directly बात करने में डर लगता है, इसलिए आपको indirectly बात करना पड़ता है. You build that rapport with your parents. You build that confidence in your parents that whatever you are doing is not wrong. Whatever you are doing is correct. You're not going to do any activity which will take them into the trouble. Then they will have 100% faith in you. Then they will have the 100% confidence in you, and they will not be asking for anything to you. They'll have the confidence, and that confidence leads to the positive things. So whenever you are having the problems at that time, take suggestions, take the advices, talk to your seniors, and by that way, get the solutions. In fact, these things automatically start giving you the confidence of handling the situations. And when you start having the confidence of handling the situations, you can surely have a lot of patience to come across every situation. You'll be able to surpass it so comfortably, and you won't even realize that you've crossed the deepest trouble of your life. 20 years down the line, 10 years down the line, when you will assess the past, you will come across, yaar, ye cheez maine kaise handle kar li thi? How was that possible for me? Because you did it, and you did it with your patience. So build it, develop it, talk to your parents, start doing more and more meditation, and you start getting the solution to everything. Now I would be interested to take the questions. I would maximally be able to take 10 questions, and then we'll be required to end with this session, because otherwise people will start feeling कि ये प्रवचन कब खत्म होगा, and I don't want to be in that situation. How can I avoid zoning out? Zoning out while studying, you cannot avoid. The very simple solution to that is that when you are solving something, when you are doing something, keep reading. Keep speaking to yourself, keep talking to yourself. You will automatically come back. How to control yourself from the worldly pleasures? You just realize that this is not the thing. आप कमाई पे नहीं मुझे, sorry, बाप कमाई पे नहीं मुझे आप कमाई पे जीना है. If I want to have something, I'll be having it from my own funds. If you start having something like that, you'll be able to avoid everything that you want to. Everyone I get close to leaves me. I feel like I'm very bad for everyone. I don't know what's wrong. I'm there for everyone, but this is the feeling for many of you. Just try to have a kind of thing in your mind that what you are doing is for yourself. If you are being good with the people, you are not being good with the people because they like it, because you like it. If you have that kind of feeling, you'll automatically have the good feeling about yourself. And people won't leave you, don't worry. People will come back if they know your worth well. How to overcome depression? The very simple solution of that is making more and more patience in you. I can't handle the stress. I have given you one of the simplest solution of that. You start doing the meditation. You do it for next 15 days. You come back to me. We'll have the discussion again, Shubham. Sometimes I feel very much alone. The solution to this is only talking to the people. You go talk to the people, get the solution, and you will not feel alone. I'll be taking, don't type your questions in the chat box. I'll be taking the question online. I most often compare myself to others. These are the questions which were already there, so I'm trying to answer those. What about reading books when we sit alone? That's one of the fantastic habits that you can develop. Should I take nap if I have a lot of idle time? Having a nap and sleeping, there is a difference between the two. If you understand that, you should surely take a power nap. That brings the better concentration. Is it compulsory that we can grasp things easiest when we study in the morning? This is one's own choice. I cannot comment on that. Please do not post the questions on the Q&A section. I will be answering it live. Well manage my time. Management of time, I will be talking about this in a separate session. Time management, I'm going to take a separate session on that. So I will not talk about that in this lecture. In this session, in fact. Lecture nahi hai. How important is to have friends in class because I have none? It depends. It depends on your confidence on yourself. And see, having friends in class or having friends at home, being social is always good. How to grow consistency in day-to-day life by being consistent in that particular whatever you have been doing. I am saying that I don't want to take the questions in the Q&A section. Please do not type. I'll not be answering those questions in Q&A sections now. Some questions I'm taking from chat box. I'm not going to answer all. There are so many questions. Those have been increasing. How to face the family problems by talking, by having the discussions. Is it necessary these days to compulsorily be on social media? Not at all. कभी कभी स्टडी का भी टेंशन आता है, आना ही चाहिए क्योंकि प्रेशर बना रहेगा तो आप काम करते रहोगे. रॉकेटच्या शेपटीला आग लागली की रॉकेट उडतो. Can writing with other hand be? No, please ask me some sensible things. Is it, sir, it's impossible to regain trust, but what can we do at least to develop some trust in anyone, even parents, just to show what you want is all correct. You are not going beyond what they are thinking about you. Is it okay if we become self-oriented? Not be self-oriented, but not materialistic. Having friends is just a luxury, probably so, not for everyone. I do have a lot of friends and I enjoy that. I have seen that I have helped many of people, but whenever I need help, this is your perception. That's not the case. There are the situations where the people will come back and help you. Don't worry on that part. Everything is going good in my life. Enjoying it. This session was icing on the cake. Thank you for that. Thank you very much. Sir, our country is becoming so violent day by day. Delhi riots, Shaheen Bagh issue, it sometimes pushed me into depression. You're not yet into that age to think about these kind of things, I believe. You have already got the priorities at hand. So you focus on that. Get addicted to some webinar, web series. Yes, that's normal. But you fix the time for that. Huh? And you'll be able to do the things in the normal way. Also, please take a session. ठीक है. Balancing time. What about people who always keep on judging us? See, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, किसी की टी-शर्ट पे लिखा था, दुनिया में आए तो जज कर लो. If the people are judging you, you are not avoiding that also. You are judging how the people are judging you. You stop it, the people will stop at you. And if it is affecting you, you are taking the trouble on yourself. It should not affect what the people are thinking about you. How to stick to one thing like studies and all. It's the when your concentration increases, you will be able to stick to the things. How you develop your calculating skills on calculator? By practice. Sometimes people lose their patience while dealing in stock market because stock market is meant for that. Can we take face-to-face video lecture once? Yes, I'll be planning for that, but in that I cannot take multiple people together. Yeah, I'll not be able to. I'll be required to say schedule it in a very limited, with a very limited people. Now, all those who are giving the feedbacks here, I would appreciate if you can give the feedback personally on my WhatsApp number. That is 94229 18901. I'll be taking the live questions. Wait for that. Participants are raising the hands. How to take criticisms positively always. Positively always. Whichever criticism comes your way, you are expected to take it positively. It will help you a lot. Yes, of course, that's our duty. That if I'm not supposed to give you only the theoretical knowledge of your subjects, but I'm supposed to give you the life lessons. This is what I understand as a teacher, because I'm not meant for only a particular subject. I'm meant for being with the people. Due to electricity problem in Raigad, I have backlog and I'm not able to. Friend, I would be saying, sorry, Akshata, I would request you to talk to me personally afterwards. Maybe send me message. I'll be replying on that. Instead of reading the books, is it okay to listen the audio? Fantastic, no problem. But don't listen to that Dhangar Dinga songs and all that, or the web series which is going to take your brain out. Sir, depression is very huge problem. Yes, of course. But when your patients get developed, depression will never come. No, ऊपर का नंबर ये ऑफिस का नंबर है. My number is 9422918901. Well, MT is not a philosopher. MT is a friend in a teacher. Yes, of course. I'll be taking the live questions now. 1 or 2 live questions. I'll not be taking a lot because there are some of the people waiting for me. Yeah, Ramya, you can go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I wanted a temporary solution. Our English exams are coming here. It's on 18th.
I know that. They are thinking about it. I'll be giving you the solution on that.
I'm not able to manage the studies, both CA and English.
No. I had said this earlier also, Ramya, that for that studies you have to allocate 2 to 3 hours daily, and in the meantime there is a backlog. You will be able to recover that backlog afterwards. You have the confidence in yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sanyogita, you can go ahead. Yes, Sanyogita. Okay. Lalit, you can go ahead.
Hello, sir. How to deal with people who demotivate us time and again?
This is one of the fantastic questions. I appreciate Lalit for this. Why I'm saying this? There are the people around you who will keep on having a kind of question mark on yourself. No, you don't have the capacity. You cannot do this. You don't have the authenticity to do this. You don't have the background to do this. In fact, they are the people to whom you are expected to prove yourself. If someone has told you something negative about you, that's a negative criticism. You take it positively. You write it somewhere that people have this kind of thought, people have this kind of situation. And if that's the kind of thing, you will surely be interested always to avoid that kind of thing, and you will be able to avoid it. So try doing it. You write it somewhere and you take it in so positive way that I am the person who's going to surpass this situation.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Ashutosh, you can go ahead. Yeah, Ashutosh. Ashutosh, your voice is cracking like anything. Voice is not coming at all.
Hello.
No, not at all. Ashutosh, you afterwards, after this, you can send your question afterwards. Because your voice is not coming at all to me. But anyways, I have tried taking a lot of questions. Still, there are the people who have got so many questions. Try to follow what I said. Even after that, if you are having any kind of problems, we can surely solve the problems. Remember, friends, we are the human being. We have evolved. We have grown. We have developed from the lifestyle of animals to the lifestyle of the civilized people. And this all is possible for us because we are able to accept and handle each and every situation. I know you will surely be able to develop the patience. You will surely be able to handle all the things that you have, and you will be able to get the best in your life. I wish you all the very luck for that, and thank you very much for attending this session. Thank you very much.